If you want to align two objects in Tinkercad perfectly without guessing, then this video is for you. In just a few steps, I'll show you the fastest and most precise way to center objects, line them up on the same axis, and make your designs look clean and professional. This is one of the most useful tools in Tinkercad, especially if you're building assemblies, making parts fit together, or just want everything positioned exactly where it should be. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more Tinkercad tips and step-by-step tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, you need to select the objects you want to align. You can click and drag a selection box around both objects at once, or if you prefer, hold Shift and click each object individually. Once both objects are selected, you'll see that Tinkercad is ready for you to start aligning them. Next, activate the Align tool. You can do this really quickly by pressing the L key on your keyboard or by clicking the Align icon in the top right toolbar. It looks like a bar with two blocks beside it, and it's the tool that helps you line up objects with precision. After you turn on the Align tool, you'll notice several black dots appear around your objects. These are the alignment handles, and they are what make this tool so powerful. When you hover over one of the dots, Tinkercad shows a ghost preview, so you can see exactly where the objects will move before you click. That means you can avoid mistakes and choose the perfect position with confidence. Now let's break down what the dots do. The center dots align the middle of your objects along an axis, whether that's X, Y, or Z. This is the easiest way to center one object inside another, or place two objects directly in line with each other. The end dots, on the other hand, align the edges. So if you want one object to sit flush against the left, right, top, or bottom side of another, these are the dots you'll use. And if you need to align objects by height, look for the vertical dots, which control the Z-axis. That's especially useful when you want objects to sit at the same level or match height precisely. One of the most important things to understand is the stationary object option. By default, Tinkercad may move both objects toward a common center, but if you want one object to stay in place while the other moves, you can control that too. After pressing L, click the object you want to remain stationary. The alignment handles will then reposition around that specific object, making it the reference point. This is really helpful when you already have one part exactly where you want it, and you only want to move the second object into position. From there, just click the alignment dot you want, and Tinkercad will snap the other object into place. If you're trying to center one shape inside another, choose the center dots. If you want objects lined up side by side, use the end dots. And if height matters, use the vertical alignment option so everything matches properly. The best part is that you don't need to estimate distances or eyeball the layout. Tinkercad does the hard work for you, and that makes your projects more accurate and much easier to build. So whenever you need to align two objects in Tinkercad, remember the simple workflow. Select the objects, press L, choose your reference object if needed, and then click the alignment handle that gives you the position you want. It's fast, it's precise, and once you use it a few times, it becomes second nature. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.